In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to effectively manage your bank transactions. This guide will walk you through a series of steps designed to help you create rules for ATM withdrawals, making your financial management smoother and more efficient. To begin, you'll need to access your QuickBooks account. Go to the home page by entering the QuickBooks URL into your browser. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a variety of options designed to help you manage your finances. Next, direct your attention to the Bank Transactions section. This is where you'll manage all your banking activities and is crucial for keeping track of your financial inflows and outflows. With bank transactions highlighted, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a detailed view of your recent transactions and provide a broad overview of your financial activity. Once you're within the Bank Transactions interface, you'll notice a range of transaction types. The next step is to locate and click on ATM Withdrawal. This particular category helps you track cash withdrawals and can be pivotal in maintaining accurate cash flow records. Clicking here will open up a detailed list of all your ATM transactions. Now here's where you'll add an extra layer of efficiency. Look for the option that says Create a Rule and to click on it. Creating a rule in QuickBooks allows you to set up automated processes, making transaction categorization quicker and less manual. When you establish a rule for ATM withdrawals, you're telling QuickBooks how to handle these transactions automatically in the future based on parameters you set. Take a moment to gather your thoughts about categorization criteria so you can tailor this rule to best fit your needs. After initiating the rule creation, you'll want to add a split. Find the plus Add a Split button and click on it. Splitting transactions allows you to divide a single transaction into multiple categories, which can be extremely useful if a transaction covers multiple expenses. For instance, if you withdraw cash and use it for both travel and meals, splitting the transaction ensures each part is accurately recorded under its respective category. And there you have it. By going through these straightforward steps, you've now improved how you manage ATM withdrawals in QuickBooks. Implementing these rules and splits not only makes your bookkeeping cleaner and more informative, but also saves you time down the road. Remember, the more effort you invest in setting up these systems now, the easier your financial tracking will be in the future. Feel free to revisit and tweak these rules as needed to suit your changing financial landscape. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping!